Anusandhan National Research Foundation, a portal that provides grants for research in science and technology in SST, social science aligned field and other fields, has brought a new scheme which is known as Prime Minister Professorship Scheme. Now this is a very important initiative. Through this there would be nearly 30 lakhs of annual fellowship which would be granted to selected professors, 24 lakh of research grant and 1 lakh annual overhead expense that would be given for institutional support. Now those who are retired, overseas scientists, industrial professional, experienced professors of practice would be eligible to apply under this scheme. So far under the various schemes, the research grant was annually somewhere, the annual fellowship grant was somewhere around 8 lakh. That has been increased to 30 lakhs in the case of PM professorship scheme, and research grant increased from 20 lakh to 24 lakh. The idea is to boost research and development indigenously within the country, and considering this scheme has been released. So how does it work? There is a PAIR program, which is the Promoting Advanced and Inclusive Research Program for researchers in the nascent field, and here the linkages would be with category A state universities, NITs, central universities and IITs, and the institutions ranked 25 or below in NIRF would be considered for this program. So the top tier mentors would be considered. And the idea is to create faculties who can actually bring in research innovation, and professors can actually relocate the students and the mentors to the new existing region, right? So the research projects would be important. And there has been a timeline which has been selected, which is nearly the whole of August, to apply for this program. As we already talked about the benefits and the ideas, who can apply? The minimum age is 55 years, but there is no upper age, and the proven fields would be science, technology, engineering, medicine, agriculture, and science and technology linked social sciences fields. Also, the person who is applying must have high impact publication, patent, technology transfer, or leadership in research and innovation. So those are some of the key criteria to apply. A very important scheme, very important in fact for your UGC paper 1 examination. We will be covering more important topics before your examination. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.